Looking for the perfect dessert for your Christmas buffet? Let's introduce the Yuletide Tarts Trio, a versatile and crowd-pleasing choice. We've got apple cinnamon, chocolate peppermint, and lemon meringue mini pies to tantalize every taste bud. Stay tuned to discover how to create these delightful mini pies. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. For our apple cinnamon mini pie, you'll need some crisp apples, a dash of cinnamon, a sprinkle of sugar, and a ready-made pie crust. Moving on to the chocolate peppermint pie, gather some rich chocolate, a hint of peppermint extract, a dollop of cream, and of course, the pie crust. Lastly, for the lemon meringue pie, you'll need zesty lemons, sugar, eggs, and a pie crust. Now that you have everything ready, it's time to start baking. Begin by prepping the pie crusts. It's easier than you might think. Start with a simple blend of all-purpose flour, butter, and a pinch of salt. Work the butter into the flour until you get a crumbly texture. Add cold water, a tablespoon at a time, until the dough comes together. Let it rest while we move on to our fillings. For our first tart, the classic apple cinnamon, combine diced apples with sugar, cinnamon, and a splash of lemon juice. Our second tart is a delightful berry medley. Mix together your favorite berries, sugar, and a squeeze of lemon. The third tart is a rich chocolate ganache, made by melting dark chocolate with heavy cream. Roll out the rested dough, cut into circles, and press into your tart pans. Fill each with its respective filling and bake until golden and bubbly. With the tarts baked and cooled, it's time for the final touch. Last but not least, the decoration. For the apple cinnamon, a gentle dusting of powdered sugar will do. The chocolate peppermint gets a sprinkle of crushed peppermint candies, while the lemon meringue enjoys a dollop of whipped cream and a lemon slice. And there you have it, your Yuletide Tarts Trio is ready to impress. These mini pies will surely be the star of your Christmas dessert buffet. With minimal effort, you can whip up this Yuletide Tarts Trio, a guaranteed hit at any holiday gathering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!